What environmental factors affect hereditary genetic disorders? Have you ever wondered how the world around us impacts our health, especially when it comes to hereditary genetic disorders? The connection between our genes and the environment is fascinating and important. Environmental factors can significantly influence hereditary genetic disorders by interacting with our genetic makeup. This interaction can increase the risk or severity of these conditions. Let's break it down. One major category of environmental factors includes exposure to chemicals. This can be anything from pesticides used in farming to industrial pollutants released into the air. These substances can potentially cause genetic damage or affect how our genes function. For example, certain chemicals are known to increase the risk of developing cancer or other serious health issues. Lifestyle choices also play a big role. Smoking, diet, and exercise habits can impact our health and interact with our genetic predispositions. For instance, a poor diet may heighten the risk of type 2 diabetes, especially in individuals with specific genetic markers. Regular exercise, on the other hand, can help mitigate some of these risks. Physical agents, such as ultraviolet light from the sun, are another environmental factor to consider. Overexposure to ultraviolet light can lead to skin damage and increase the risk of skin cancer, particularly in those with certain genetic vulnerabilities. Social conditions can also affect health. Experiences of discrimination or high-stress environments can contribute to health issues. Stress can influence how our genes are expressed, potentially worsening hereditary disorders. The relationship between genes and the environment is often described as gene-environment interaction. This means that certain environmental exposures can trigger or worsen diseases in individuals with specific genetic variants. For example, children with a genetic variant linked to brain development may face a higher risk of autism if they are exposed to high levels of air pollution. Research continues to advance in understanding these interactions. By recognizing how environmental factors influence hereditary health, we can better assess risks and develop personalized prevention strategies. This knowledge is essential for family genetic testing and managing hereditary health. In summary, environmental factors like chemical exposures, lifestyle choices, and social conditions can significantly affect hereditary genetic disorders. Understanding these influences can help us make informed decisions about our health and well-being.